Okay, Mullen bag holders, I got some good news for you. This is the weekly chart, and well, for the week that just passed, price closed higher, although it's off the high for this past week, again because of this support resistance area at 40 cents. And we can kind of see that on the daily chart. Again, price put in a double bottom, but that couldn't hold. Again, momentum was still to the downside. And so what is support, you flip that, becomes resistance. We had a gap down in price. Price attempted to close that gap, but couldn't. And if you look at that a little clearer, that's a drop, base drop. So that's actually a daily seller's level that I just noticed. At the 35-cent level. So what's the good news? Let's get into the article. So Mullen Automotive stock is accelerating higher after the EV company announced that it has received a favorable decision from the Nasdaq Hearing Panel. Mullen stock will continue to trade on the Nasdaq as long as the shares close at or above the dollar level for 20 consecutive trading sessions on or before January 22nd of next year. That doesn't leave a lot of time. The CEO said, "I am pleased Nasdaq gave the company this opportunity to continue implementing its business plan. We are diligently working to regain and maintain compliance with Nasdaq's continued listing requirements." Now, Mullen had previously held an annual meeting on August 3rd, although the meeting did not satisfy Nasdaq's requirement because the company did not allow shareholders to ask management questions about the business. All proposals approved at the meeting will continue to remain valid, which includes a 1-for-9 reverse stock split. To remedy this, Mullen plans on holding a combined 2023 and 2024 annual meeting to satisfy the requirement. Another key date to keep in mind is December 15th, as that is the day that Mullen will hold its special meeting of shareholders. The meeting basically only has one material proposal, which is a reverse stock split in a range of between $1, 1 for 2, and 1 for 100. Mullen stock shareholders, as of the close of business on October 30th, will be entitled to cast a vote for the proposal. Now, this is important. Mullen has already reverse split its shares in cumulative ratio of 1 for 225 this year. Another 1 for 2 reversal split would take the ratio to 1 for 450, which is above the cumulative ratio of 1 for 250 mentioned by Nasdaq above. Based on this, it appears that Mullen's extension could come into question if the company chooses to reverse split its share again. So, good news, bad news, right? Nasdaq has given the company a couple of more months to show compliance. The tricky part is, how is Mullen going to do that? I don't know if another reverse stock split is viable, and I don't know if the retail crowd is confident enough to boost the stock higher to that $1 level. Now, what is that $1 level? Well, it's 65-cent higher, and it serves as a major resistance area. All right, let's scroll up to the weekly chart, and it's that level that we were. Nope. This is that level we were referring to on the daily chart. You can see it was support, now resistance. See, price came up back in August, late August, but was pushed back down by the sellers, rightfully so. If you look to the left, you had support there. on the weekly chart, you have a weekly sellers level, again serving as headwinds. So we can put that one in as well. We'll call that the 47-cent level. So it is going to be very tough for price to breach daily sellers level, resistance support band, weekly sellers level, got resistance at 70 cents, resistance at 90 cents, resistance at $1. The only way it gets above $1 is reversal stock split, but whether they'll be able to do that or not remains to be seen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.